Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you're looking LinkedIn Business Premium subscription, Career Premium subscription, or LinkedIn Navigator subscription. I will show you one of the coupon. Using this coupon, you can save up to 75% original price. How to get this coupon code, what is the process, we will see detailed demonstration on my Mac screen. So before start the video, I just simply show it to you here. This is my wife account and this is not a premium. After end of the video, I will show you this is the premium account automatically. I'm using the same coupon. How to do it, let's see. So now let's start. First of all, you need to open Google, type here premium in cheap. So first link is display here. Apart from the LinkedIn subscription, this platform are selling other premium subscription also very affordable prices. Here the community is available, WhatsApp and Telegram. If you click here in the LinkedIn and LinkedIn premium, here several different option is available. We are targeting today 75% off LinkedIn premium coupon is available. Price is going on 950 INR to 4500 INR in between. This is the genuine premium 75% off coupon redeemed directly on LinkedIn for 12 months as a massive saving. Choose your coupon. What we receive, three different option is available. LinkedIn Career Premium subscription 950. After redeem this coupon, you pay only 250 INR for 12 months. That would be cheap and affordable. Same things in business premium subscription 1800. After redeem this on LinkedIn, you pay only 499 for 12 months. And LinkedIn Sales Navigator coupon 4500. After redeem on LinkedIn, you pay only 2230 INR for 12 months. That would be really impressive. Apart from that, here they are providing all the information very clearly. You can go through one by one and let's see which one you want buy, LinkedIn Career, Business or Sales Navigator. I personally purchased LinkedIn Career Premium subscription. I need to pay here 950 INR for one time and you can save here around 9000. Business Premium subscription around 17,000. LinkedIn Sales Navigator around 80,000 per year using this coupon. That would be really impressive. I already added this link in video description. How to buy, it's very easy. Here the option, first of all you select 12-month business premium subscription, career one and Sales Navigator. I just simply select here 12-month career premium subscription, coupon 75% off. Here the price 950 INR. I just simply click here buy. It's very easy to buy. Previously I also purchased several coupon from this website. You need to provide here your basic information. So next thing you need to provide here first name, last name, region, postal code and rest of information. So billing detail, I just simply add here my entire information. Afterwards you just simply here place the order. As a place order perspective, you need to always pay via WhatsApp. Transaction is going on here. I just simply place the order and this information automatically going to the WhatsApp application. I already installed my WhatsApp in here in my Mac as well. Just simply open here WhatsApp. Automatically the platform owner are receiving this message and I send them and he is online, so we can receive very easily. Let's see how much time we are spending. I send him request 5:24 PM and today is 18th of May. And I say hi. This process always going to via WhatsApp. Sometimes the owner is busy, so you receive the late response, but he is very prompt to providing the response as well. 1 minute is completed. So look at this here. I'm spending here 5 minutes around. He responding. Receive the order, receive here now. Again we need to wait couple of seconds here. So look at this here. We receive here one link and this link are providing pay once activated. So now pay here, pay.com. If I click here, you need to scan this QR code first of all and do the payment very easily using Paytm, PhonePe and Google Pay as well. So now how to activate, it's very easy. First of all you need to always open your LinkedIn account. Here is my LinkedIn account. Afterward I just simply click this link and here the information is showing on here. Dr. Monica, enjoy 75% off your next 12 month of career subscription, and here premium member are 2.7 millions and redeem code is here. Original price is this, but afterwards you need to pay just only 47 DKK here in Denmark. Redeem code So look at this here. First, you pay beginning today and your payment method will be charged promotional price of 47 DKK for the first 12 months, and my subscription end is 18th May 2027. 47 DKK, around 500 INR only, not more than that. So I'm receiving this subscription 500 INR for 12 month, and my next payment is 18th June, and just simply place the order. I need to provide here payment information. Welcome to Premium Career. Now is my premium subscription is activated. Go to the premium now. What we receive here, premium subscription is 24/7, and thus continue, open your profile. Okay, continue, open, done, and it's done. Now my account is a premium. Previously here the premium is not here, fresh here. So magic is happened. I'm receiving this subscription 950 plus 500 INR using this process. So that would be very valuable for me. If you are working in IT company or student, using this process you can unlock all LinkedIn learning classes as well. You should visit today. Link is available on video description. Premium in cheap platform, and get this subscription. If you have any question related on this platform or this process, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.